So hi guys, we're here right now at the Ayala Center Cebu because we're gonna be here for the grand opening of Nespresso's first ever branch here in Cebu. I mean, first branch outside Metro Manila, huh? So it's the 5th branch overall in the Philippines, and we're gonna check out the first ever branch outside Metro Manila here at the Ayala Center Cebu. So come on guys, let's explore the world of Nespresso.
Hello everybody, I am Milette and I am from Nespresso, and I would like to invite you all to visit the Nespresso boutique here at the Ayala Mall at the ground level. If you want to explore different types of coffee experiences, this is the place for you. We look forward to elevating your coffee moments, whether it be by yourself or with friends or with family. For sure you will find something that suits your taste, suits your mood here at Nespresso.
Tell us about the different flavors that we can expect from.
So Nespresso has a wide range of coffees. So depending on your taste, on your mood, your coffee preference. So it ranges in terms of intensity. So when we say intensity, it has nothing to do with the caffeine content. No? It's really more about the flavor profile, the roasting level, the bitterness, and then also the body. So our intensity, it goes as high as 13. So 13 is the most intense. So that is very dark roasted, that's very bitter, that's very rich in terms of body. And then we have different ranges. So we have a range called Ispirazione Italiana that is inspired by the roasting expertise, of course, in Italy. No? So Ispirazione Napoli, Palermo, Ristretto Italiano, Firenze, etc. And then we also have, let me just see if it's displayed here. Here, we call it the Master Origins range. So these are single origin coffees that make use of different methods in its harvesting and also in its processing, giving very unique and distinct flavor and aroma profiles. Ito naman yun. So we have the India, Indonesia, Colombia, Nicaragua, and Ethiopia. Also, a lot of Filipinos like this, no? So whether it's in Manila or in Cebu, we also have flavored coffees.
Ooh.
So these are coffees that are inspired by some desserts. They're not sweet, but they have the flavor, no? Vanilla eclair, caramel creme brulee, and cocoa truffle.
Wow.
Then we also have iced coffees, if you would like, and then also different types packs. It's a lot.
So when picking flavors, you have a guide here, right? So what does it mean? The 5 is the intensity,
okay,
right?
yes. The 5 is the intensity. So in a scale that goes from 1 to 13, you can say that it's medyo sa gitna. No? So that would be a little, it would be balanced.
So,
no?
okay,
So that's
not
the
too
term.
bitter,
Not too
but,
bitter, yeah. And then the one in the middle is the flavor profile.
Okay,
so this one is fruity.
fruity.
So
Oh,
that means that it will have a hint of acidity to it. So it goes perfectly with milk, actually, when you have something
fruity,
that's
yeah?
fruity.
Okay.
And then of course that is the price.
The 38 is price. So
Yes.
yeah, you have fruity, you have flowery, you
Yes,
have
there's
even,
fruity,
you know,
flowery.
other notes like cocoa, caramel,
Correct.
and vanilla. Wow. So what's this limited edition?
Okay, so every year, Nespresso comes out with different batches of limited edition coffees. So these coffees are just produced in small, in limited quantities, and are only available for a limited number of
So that's a
times.
special blend by...
Special blend. So sometimes it would be coffees that were specially designed for iced. It could be coffees from a specific region, or coffees that are processed in a very, very specific way. So it varies here.
Oh, and finally, I'm just gonna ask, why did you open this top store in Cebu? Yeah.
Oh, well, we've known. Okay, we've known from the very time that we launched Nespresso in the Philippines in 2017 that we had to be in Cebu, because obviously Cebu is a key market for us. We know that Cebuano customers are discerning and they have elevated taste, and yeah, it took a lot of work, and so finally we're also here, because it's almost like opening in another country, because it's a separate island altogether, right, from Manila. So there's been a lot of challenges, but finally we're here and we're very, very happy.
This is how easy unsa ni na machine?
This one, this is coffee machine. This is the Shasha Mini.
This is Shansha Mini, so it's like the basic machine, no?
Yes, it has two
Two cup.
buttons. This one, this is espresso shots. It's 40 ml. This one is long black. This is 110 ml.
All right.
All you're gonna need to do is just press any of this. That one. As you can see, it's blinking. It's warming.
So the water, okay?
Yes. Just open the lipper. Inside the capsule.
So insert the capsule, huh? Okay.
Yes. Insert the capsule. Close it. And extract.
So that's how easy it is,
Yeah,
huh?
that's really easy. You can make your coffee just that quick.
Alright. Kahumot.
That one, that's one of Italian coffee. That's roasted caramel. That's Genoa.
So this is the balanced one.
So, yeah.
Right.
One of our balanced coffee.
So unsa to ni size ni mong gitislit? It's
That's
just,
long black coffee.
so the bigger size. Okay. Alright. Look at my coffee, guys. Okay.
There you go. Then after that, you just open the lipper to eject the used capsule pad inside of it. This one. And
So
it's
mahulog na siya. Okay.
Yes. All of
So the
siya.
bigger models have bigger capacity, di ba? Kani mga pila man ka capsules before
More
you...
or less, 3 to 4 cups.
Okay, nice.
Here you
Alright.
go.
So let's have my first ever cup. Oh, not bad. Nice. Nice. Not too bitter, so muna. But if you want something bitter, just go to ng level 13 na intensity. Di ba? Muna,
Yeah,
level 13.
that one, that's balance.
Kani mga level 6 na yun, no? Level 6 na yun. Yeah. So, check out. No, so,
8, the 9, the 10, go for the
muna, if you want the bitter, the better ko, no? So, pero, muna, and the good thing is, naslay notes, so, you can easily, you know, and then, tinuod lang si caramel notes na, manang black, yun akong ginawa mo yung sukaray. Not too kuan, not too acidic, pero, really good. Good cup.
System that allows you to enjoy premium coffee, as I mentioned earlier, in your own space conveniently and consistently. So it's a system that consists of the machine. Okay, our machines are very simple and compact, very well designed, and very, I think the features would include the ease of use, the ease of operation, and the ease of maintenance. So as you can see, it's not complex at all. The machines are intuitive, and with just one press of a button, you are able to extract coffee at the optimal parameters that are needed. So our machines deliver the exact temperature, the exact amount of pressure, the exact volume of water that you would need to have that perfect extraction. And of course, that machine is just a means for you to enjoy the coffee, the premium quality coffee that are inside those aluminum capsules that you see. So it's a system, it's not just a machine, but at the end of the day, the benefit that Nespresso delivers to its market is premium quality coffee, elevated coffee experiences, an entire elevated lifestyle that is very convenient and consistent. So machines, we do have a customer relations center hotline, so it's a service hotline that anybody can call. And we have our coffee specialists waiting there on the other line, to assist you with any questions or any concerns about the machine. So they will help you troubleshoot, and then if it's something that you can address on your own, then that would be very easy. And then for Cebu, we're also going to have a service center here pretty soon, so that wouldn't be a concern for our customers anymore. And if you are a club member, we will provide you a service unit while your machine is with us for maintenance or for repair to make sure that your coffee experience is uninterrupted.